leave them in right there.
My damn boots, man.
It went all over you side by side, Bubba.
Oh. I blame Papaw.
Not good. Guys, so welcome back to the channel, guys. We're honestly gonna fix the lawnmower. The tower's flat.
Yep. We need to be able to mow with it, don't we?
Yeah.
Alright, what we're doing today is we got this redneck version of tire repair on the lawnmower. Alright, these are tubeless tires on that lawnmower. It's just an old lawnmower that we've had for what, 10, 12 years. It still runs good, but the tires go flat every time we use it. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix it to where they won't go flat anymore. With this right here. Take this tire, make sure there ain't no air in it. Of course, it was flat anyway. All right, what you can do is just find you a, let's see here, drill bit. That's the size of this straw. Let's see if we can find one this size.
Okay.
I think it's about that size right there. This one right here. All right. What it'll probably take about 4 cans to do this tire. It's not a bad thing. It'd probably be cheaper just by 2. We're doing about 4 holes in it.
Have a knock this way, this way.
Okay, let's see if the straw fit. Yep, perfect size. Okay. Now, so where's that one at?
It's about 1/4 of the way up from that one.
All right. All right, Bob, you can do the next one. Right here.
About 4 quarters.
Okay, ready? All right, go one more.
Probably ain't perfect, but it's.
Got there's that one.
Have let me do it. Let me do it by myself.
Okay, do it right there.
You don't have to help me.
Okay, go ahead and do it right there.
I'm good. I'm good at this.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, now do that. All right, good job. Okay, now what we're going to do
is spray some of that in.
Okay, we got to put this on here.
And then spray it.
Yep, okay, now let's see, where's the hole at?
Right here.
Right there, the one. That's the one you did. Okay, now spray it full.
This?
Yeah, let's lay him down here a little bit. No. It'll expand and come out the holes that you make. And things like that. It's flaring out all over our stuff over there, Bob. Kick finger now.
I'd probably hold off there. Let it expand for a minute and then do more. It's still pushing out of my finger there.
Yeah, it's still over here.
That's
pushing our air out though.
No, it's pushing the stuff out. You're just wasting it now. Are you not?
We need one to cap in there. See, there still ain't none over here.
Can you put this in that one?
Just let it expand for a minute though, and it should seal up, right?
It should, but you want to make sure it expands everywhere.
Bubba, you got fart noises going on over here.
Yep.
Okay. Leave that one stuck in there. That way it don't come out on this. We need to do one more over where Dave's at. That's one we've already put some in though, so we need to put some in on this side. So poke this one in that hole, Jordan. Once that's ready. Just poke that can right there in that hole.
I'd say that side's got some too.
It does now. Alright. It should be good right there. See any feeling soft spots in it?
Nah, I mean,
No,
we'll find out sooner or later though.
All I feel is
What we're going to do is leave them all in there so it don't expand too much. I mean, like push it all out. But we can set it down over there somewhere. Yeah, these both. That's like 1 minute. Leave them in there right there.
What damn move, man?
It went all over you side by side, Bubba.
Ah!
I blame Papaw.
A few moments later.
Right, here's what we got so far. That's 4 cans. It's about there. Gotta let it set up now. It's way overfilled, looks like, but that's all right too. I don't know. We'll definitely have to let it expand. It feels like it's got flat spots in it all over it though, so that may not.
That is a blast. That is big mess.
It is a big mess, yeah.
You're gonna have to clean all this up by yourself. I'm not helping you. Okay, Julia? That comes out just like farting, right?
It does, just like farting, yeah. What I'm doing is, there's actually 6 cans right here. I know I'm doing it wrong. I know I am, but what I'm doing is I put the 4 cans in it, but it wasn't going to set up until I pulled the straws out of it. And then it all about ran out and then left me with flat spots in the tire. It's like right there, I need to put some right there. And probably a little bit right there. So what I'm doing is I'm taking this last can that I have right here, and I'm just going around finding the flat, that feels like a flat spot in it. And I'll drill a hole in it right there. Like right here, it needs probably a little bit right here, so I'll drill a hole right here. I'll just pump a little bit in that spot right there, is all I'm doing. Maybe it'll work. Maybe it's not a complete waste. Maybe I haven't completely burnt my tire. I mean, sidewalls are hard. It's just the center's got weak spots in it. So we'll let it set up like that for a few more minutes, and we'll come back and see what it does.
A few moments later.
Alrighty. Right here is what we have. I guess what my mom and daddy used to say is a gum. So anyway, that was a complete fail. I don't know what happened to it. It actually pumped up, and it was good and rigid. The tire was rigid, and we tried mowing with it, and it turned back into liquid. So I don't know. See, right now it's flat as a flitter, as they say, just like that. So and I don't know exactly what happened to it. I'm sure people out there that's going to watch this is going to say that they've tried this before, somebody's tried this before. So if you know what I did wrong, feel free to jump down in the comments and let me know, because I would like to be able to do that. If I could get one to work, I'd do them all like that, because it's just an old mower. We just use it for here and down in the field and stuff like that. That's all we use it for. Anyway, I mean, it's pretty much burnt now, because I bet you I drilled 15 holes in this tire right here, filling it full. Because it'd have like a weak spot in it, and I have to drill another one and fill that part of it up all the way around it. I used 7 cans of that foam in this thing. 7 cans of expansion foam. And it's just a total waste. And them things are like $5 a can. That's like 35. I could have bought a whole tire for that. So I mean, it is what it is. I'll definitely have to buy a tire now. Probably in the rim too, because that's probably all messed up in there now. But anyway, that is 100% a fail. So, back to the old drawing boards on that. If anybody's got any suggestions, ideas, or anything like that, drop them in the comments. Let me know what you think. As of right now, the mower is down. If you ain't done so yet, hit that like and subscribe, and we can show you some more stuff that we just completely screw up. All right, catch you on next one.
Like and subscribe.